According to the CDC, more than 2,000 deaths were linked to COVID-19 last month. That, of course, is a far cry from the monthly peak of more than 100,000 in January 2021. But it is a reminder, 5 years after the World Health Organization first declared the global pandemic, that it's still with us. For tonight's In Depth, CBS's Bradley Blackburn reports how COVID changed patients and doctors.
In March 2020, when the world locked down, Sal Mazzara remembers the moment he felt symptoms.
Then I had the fever, the cough was persistent, then sweats.
The father of two from New York already had a lung condition, so when he struggled to breathe, his wife Josephine drove him to Mount Sinai Hospital.
I could not believe what was going on, that I was just dropping my husband off at the hospital and wasn't sure if we were going to see him again.
This was an epicenter right here.
Yeah, it was. Our hospital was beyond capacity.
Critical care doctor Sanam Ahmed remembers when the hospital filled up and tents were set up in Central Park. The city used refrigerated trucks to hold the bodies.
All of a sudden, it was a deluge. It was just a lot of patients coming in all at once.
While her own 4 children were in lockdown at home, she treated countless patients.
Myself and my team are responsible for stabilizing the sicker COVID patients.
We've been called to a bedside to see a patient who was having some problems with oxygenation.
I've never seen so much tragedy in a short period of time.
Sal spent weeks on a ventilator. He needed a tracheotomy and suffered a cardiac arrest. His family couldn't be by his side.
We're probably going to take that trach out.
Dr. Ahmed was.
Sal.
Hi.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah?
So happy.
Yeah, good.
Everything's coming along. Everything's looking perfect.
If you had a cardiac arrest, it was extremely unlikely that you would survive, and Sal did. He had a cardiac arrest and he survived it.
There's not enough money in the world, enough thanks to thank them.
After 45 days, Sal left Mount Sinai to go home.
5 years.
Last week, for the first time since 2020.
Hi, Sal. It's so good to see you.
Nice
you
to
look
see you.
so good.
Yes, thank you.
Doctor
thank you.
and patient met again.
Oh, never forgot you, and I thank you for everything every day.
A family that will never stop saying thank you.
My hero, right here.
Thank you.
And reminding others what it took to survive.
I hope that people remember how everyone supported each other.
Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.